Okay, so good day to everybody. This video will demonstrate how to draw the isometric drawing of our scaffold number 2. So when we draw the isometric of the object, the first thing that we will do is first we have to plot a vertical and a horizontal line. Let's make sure that this vertical and horizontal line are perpendicular to each other. Okay, so let's just do this. So I will draw a vertical line. Okay, so there's the vertical line, and next is the horizontal line. For your scaffold, all you have to do is you place this drawing beside your orthographic drawing. Now if it will not fit, you can use another bond paper for your isometric drawing. Okay, so here we have our this will be our reference. Okay, this will be the baseline, and then this will be our height. This will determine, the vertical line will tell us the height of the object. So the height of the object is 1.5 plus 1.5 plus 1.5, and that is 4.5. So from here we will measure. Okay, this will be our reference, the vertical line. We will measure 4.5. So 1, 2, 3, 4.5. Okay, so from here we will now use our protractor. For those who have triangle, then you can use your triangle ruler. Now your protractor has lines. Okay, so we are going to utilize this one, the perpendicular line. So we are going to align it here. Yan. And then we will plot the 30 degrees. So 30 degrees is somewhere here. Okay, and then here is another 30 degrees. Okay, so next is from the height, we will also plot another 30 degrees line. So from here, this is the height of the object, which is 4.5. So this will be our basis. Again, make sure that you have a long vertical line, because you're going to use that so that your lines will be accurate. Okay, you just use the 90-degree line and align it to your vertical line. Yeah. So that's just one of the techniques, okay, you're going to employ. So this is 30 degrees and then another 30 degrees. Okay, so next is we are going to connect the lines. We will draw our line from here. Now this is another technique. Okay, so first you use your pencil, you point it on one of the points for the line, and then next is look for the other point, the other plotted point, and then you draw the line. Okay, so next is we will draw again here. Yan. And then this one. So from here we will draw that line, and then yan. Okay, now we have two sides. We have now, this is for the front view, and then this one is for the side view. So the next thing that we will do is now we will determine the width of the object, which is 2 cm plus 2 cm plus 2 cm, which is equals to 6 centimeters. So we will start counting 6 centimeters from this point. Okay, so 6 centimeters. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so from here we will plot again 6 centimeters. And so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then next we will connect the line, the points. Okay, now we have the box for the front view. Next is for the side view, the depth of the object, which is 4.5 based from the given measurement in your orthographic drawing. Okay, so we will plot 4.5. 1, 2, 3, 4.5. And then also from here we will plot 1, 2, 3, 4.5. Sorry. And then we'll connect. Now, another tip is we'll just extend the line. Okay, later on you will know, okay, what's the purpose of extending the line? And we will use again that line to measure, to plot our 90-degree line. Okay, so again, we will make use of this one. Okay, so we will align this perpendicular line, we will align it here. Okay, the 90 degree. So we will plot the 30-degree angle from this point. So here is the Okay, let's plot it like this. And then the 30 degrees. And then, next is, on the other side, we will plot also the 30 degrees. Ito na lang, baliktad natin para mas malinaw yung aking 30 degrees. Okay. So, that's the 30 degrees. So, where is the 30? It's here. Yan. So, the next thing that we will do is we will just connect. Connect the line, 30 degrees. Okay, and then we will also connect the points. Connect the points, not the line, connect the points. Now we have this one for our top view. Okay, now the top view, front view, and the side view. So looking at your orthographic drawing, we will now put here, we will now plot the front view. So for the front view, we need 6 centimeters. Okay, medyo tiko siya ng konti. So 1, 2 here, 1, 2 here, and then also from here we will plot 2 centimeter. 1, 2, 1, 2. By the way, just like to remind you now, when you start measuring, you do not start measuring from at the edge of the ruler. You start from the zero. Okay? Kasi ang iba sa atin, pag nagbilang tayo ng 12 inches, akala natin ito 12 inches, ito dito. Okay, this is 12 inches, does not end here. Okay, and 0 does not start here. We start here on this line. Okay, so next is we will draw the line. Okay, so this is the 2 cm. Let's just draw light lines. Okay, light lang, light. Yeah. So we can now erase this one para mabawasan ang ating mga linya. So next is the height of the stairs, which is 1.5. So we will count 1.5 here and then 1.5 here. Likewise on this part, we plot 1.5. Okay, 1.5 and 1.5. And then we will connect. Now, from our drawing, hanggang dito lang ang 1.5 natin. From the orthographic point of view, always refer to the orthographic drawing. Okay? Now we have the front view. Medyo may forma na ang ating front view. Okay. So the next thing that we will draw is our side view. From the side view, we know that this is 1.5. Okay, so we will also plot here 1.5. So 1.5. Yan. Take note that the depth of our stairs is only 3.5. Okay, so we will just measure 3.5. So this is 1, 2, 3 and a half. So until here only. Hanggang dyan lang. Okay, so from here, we will also plot 3.5. 1, 2, 3.5. Take note, the basis of this measurement comes from our orthographic drawing. Yan na. So, meron na tayong letter L. So, next, problemahin natin itong line para sa stairs. Okay? So, bago natin puntahan yan dyan, let's start first with our top view. Okay? So, this is, the measurement of this one is 2 centimeter. It's 2 centimeters. So, we will also plot 2 centimeters. So, 1, 2. Okay? So, from here, 2 centimeters. We will connect it. Now take note that we need 1 centimeter. We need 1 centimeter. Yan, so hanggang dito lang siya. Okay, so 1 centimeter yan siya, okay? Yan, 1 centimeter. Because this 1 centimeter now will be connected here. Okay. Yan, so malapit na sa katotohanan ang ating drawing. So next is, how are we going to connect the lines here? Well, for this one, you need your protractor. All you need to do is, again, we will plot the 30 degrees. Yan, so 30 degrees is here. Okay, and then also this one, we will plot the 30 degrees. 30 degrees is somewhere here. Okay, so next we will draw the line. Connect natin. Very light lang muna, okay? Let's plot it lightly. Yan. So, syempre, ito siya, we will get a vertical line from here. Now we already have this line, these two lines. We are going to measure 3.5 kasi ito 3.5 man to. So, we will measure 3.5 also from here. Okay? So, we will get 3.5. So, this is 1, 2, 3.5. It's here. So, therefore, we will connect this one and this one. Okay. So, this one, how are we going to draw the vertical line? Pupunta dito. So, one way of doing that, again, may sobra tayong line that will serve as our guide. Take note, guide natin yan siya for our 30-degree angle. Yan. So, we will plot the 30 degrees. Yan. So, from here, we will plot the 30 degrees. So, again, light lang muna. Okay, so ito siya, pwede na natin i-darken because we now have the measurement. So, again, from this one, we will measure 3.5. Okay, so lahat na yan siya dito, 3.5. Okay, so 1, 2, 3.5 here. And then also this one, measure 3.5. Take note, where do we get the 3.5? It's the measurement provided in our orthographic. 1, 2, 3.5. Sorry. Erase lang. Pag may pagkakamali, erase. Yan. So, we will connect the dots, the points, the plotted points. Okay. Connect it here. And then this one, connect it here. Next is this one. We will connect. And this one, connect. Okay. So now we have our isometric drawing. So let's just darken the lines to emphasize the object. And then we can now erase the excess lines. So this is our isometric drawing. The isometric of our object. The isometric drawing of our object. Yan. Okay. Now we have the final output of our scaffold number 2. So take note. Let's have a review. Some techniques that you need to take note. Okay, so the lines in our protractor, for those who are using protractor, take note that we can utilize these lines to get to plot our 30 degrees from the 90-degree angle. So all you have to do is yung alignment niya, make sure that they are straight, they are aligned together, and then you plot the 30 degrees and then 30 degrees. Yan. So you don't have to draw the horizontal line. Okay, so the next thing that you will do is add the measurements. So again, the measurements will be placed at the sides. So you now have these lines. Okay, so To plot the measurement, I'll just draw the line. Yan. Okay. Sundin lang natin yung lines niya. And then the height of this is 4.5. Okay. So from here, all you have to do is follow lang. Just follow the lines, our angle. And then we draw. So this is 1.5, 1.5, 1.5. And then from here, sobraan lang din natin ng konti. Yan. This is 4.5. Okay. And then from here, we will just plot the, and from the plotted points earlier, we will connect. Okay, meron pa pala dito sa baba. And then, draw the lines. Okay, so erase natin to. Okay, so this is 2 cm, 2 cm, 2 cm. And of course, finally, this one, the 3.5. Okay. So now, we are done. So I hope that this video will help you in accomplishing your scaffold number